Hi YouTube, Ricky here from TechTalk. Hope you're doing well. Today we're taking a look at Vodafone's entry-level smartphone for this year, and this is the N8. So I bought you the Vodafone Smart V8 earlier on, so please go and check videos out for that one. But today we're going to have a look at their budget entry level, and this costs £85 on pay-as-you-go. So on the front of the device here, we again get to see a screenshot of the actual device itself. We have the Vodafone logo, we have pattern design on the bottom part just here. Turning to the left or the right hand side, you're going to get to see the name of the device, and again they have won an award this year for this model, which is really great to see. So turning around to the back of the device, there's some key specs here that I just want to point out. First of all, it's running Android 7.0. It has a 5-inch display. Cameras is a 13 megapixel on the rear facing camera and a 5 megapixel on the front facing camera. Quad core device, and it has 1.5 gigabytes of RAM. It has a 2400 mAh battery. It has 4G network running at 150 megabytes per second, and it's 8.6 millimeters thick. This model comes in a 16 gigabyte storage with a micro SD card option. They also have provided a fingerprint sensor, which is great to see as it adds more security for your device. Under the specs, we find our contents in the box, but we're going to do an unboxing. And just at the bottom here, a bit of regulatory information as well. So taking the lid off, we get to see our device sat here at the top. So on our device here, again, it goes through the display, the battery, the camera, the operating system, and that fingerprint sensor. So if I just flip this around to the back, you can see it's inlaid just underneath the camera, same as we saw on the V8, but the design is very different on the back here. Plastic molded design, but is bubbled and textured. So if I just bring this up to the camera, as you can see there, it is a textured design, so it won't slip out of your hands. So underneath we have a little leaflet saying hello, again providing information. We have another information, so safety and warranty information about your device. So just lifting up the flap under there, first of all we have our cable inside here. This is a micro USB cable. So in this model I have received a 2-prong plug, but you will receive a 3-prong plug here in the UK. And up top you've got some headphones as well to listen to music on the go. So just taking a quick look around our device, you've got a Vodafone logo inlaid at the bottom there. On the right hand side you've got power button, you've got some volume rockers sliding up to the top, got a microphone there for video recording, 3.5 headphone jack. On the left hand side you do have a notch in the casing. This will offer access into your SIM card and your SD card. As you can see here, battery is locked into the device. Peel off this wrapping. Going to power our device on. So moving into the setup process now, first of all we have welcome. It asks us to select our language, vision settings. As you all know, with my visual impairment, I look out for these settings, and it's very good to see that Google and Android now are providing these right from the get-go. So next we're going to select get started. So our first option here is to set up our device, so we can use a backup or set up as a new one. So we're going to set up as a new one. Next is our Wi-Fi connection, so we're going to just skip this at the moment. Next it will ask you to either sign into your Google account or create a Google account. The choice is yours. Is agreement to Google services, so you can have a read through these and either uncheck them or check them. Name for your device, I recommend this, so when you're using Bluetooth, if you want to share something to someone, you have a name to search for. Unlock your device, so this phone offers PIN, pattern, password, and introduction of fingerprint. Next is anything else, so Google accounts or any other accounts that you can add in. We're just going to set up later. So experience improvements, so we agree to this. Select a home screen, so you can either have 2 different options. Helpful tips, so it will give you tips when using your device. This is a great feature to see here. Now they give you the opportunity to change your text size actually in the setup. So you can slide this along, and as you'll see, the window at the top grows and changes. And another great feature, they have changed the display as well. So as you can see here, if I shuffle left or right, you can see how they've changed. Again, you can make it smaller if you so wish. I'm going to hit finish here. Now it's going to load a page to install Vodafone applications if you so wish to. Simply tap the home button and get into your home screen. And that was how easy it was to set up the Vodafone Smart N8. So if you slide all the way to the far left, you will get welcome and helpful tips, and this will grow for when you're using your phone and change as well. This can be edited very much like the V8. So you have your 3 buttons down here at the bottom. You have your back, your home, you have your menu button as well. Also sliding down from the top, you can see your notifications, and also sliding all the way down, you'll see your widget drawer. The software is very much the same that we saw on the Vodafone V8. First impressions is, yes, it's going to be slightly different because of the price levels, but I'm looking forward to test this out. It's nice to see a fingerprint sensor on a device that cost £85, which is really good to see. If you do have any questions or comments, please do let me know. Please leave a comment down below. It's always great to hear from you. And this device looks great, and I'm interested in using it to see how well it performs. On the bottom there, you just see that micro USB for charging and syncing, and we'll leave it there for the unboxing and setup and first look around the Vodafone Smart N8. Thanks always for watching. Thanks always for subscribing to the channel and making it grow. From me, Ricky, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.